Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial we're going to be looking at how to download the Adobe Aero application on your desktop. So in order to begin, you'll have to open up your browser. Once you're in your desired browser, what you'll have to do is open the search bar and type in download Adobe Aero and type search. And once you're in the search results, you can see the first option, which is help.adobe.com Aero. You'll have to click on it. Once you're in here, you can scroll down and see the option get Aero on desktop. You'll have to click on that. Now this will automatically start the downloading of your Aero application, as you can see here. Okay, so you have the installer right here. You can click on save. Now let's just wait for it to be downloaded. It's like 3 MBs. Once the download is completed, you can open the application and click on run. So once that's done, you can see the installer is opened up. So you can just click on the install. I haven't allowed the internet for this application, so it's showing me like this. So if you don't have a firewall protection, it will just open up correctly. So you have to just log into your account, and that's it. So that's how you can easily download the Adobe Aero application on your desktop for free. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.